Hi, I'm James Ewen, co-owner and head brewer at Hill Brewing Company. We're going to walk through some of the steps of the brewing process here at Hill. Enjoy. First step of the brewing process is mashing in. And a mash is just a mixture of water and grain. We start by loading up our mill with our grain. The mill is just cracking open the grain to reveal the starches inside. And it falls through the mill, it goes into our auger. Our flex auger system brings the grain up and drops it into the mash tun. While it's falling into the mash tun, we're mixing in hot water with that. As the water and the grain are mixing, the heat from the water is activating enzymes in the mash that convert the starches in the grain into simple and complex sugars, which help define what the beer will become. 80 to 90% of the grain bill is made up of a base malt that contributes light flavor and only minimal color. The other 10 to 20% is specialty malts like caramel flavors all the way to toffee and black bitter coffee flavors. But a beer can be made of 100% base malt and still be excellent. Once we're finished mashing in, we check the temperature, and we want to get a temperature somewhere between 148 and 155 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the ideal temperature for conversion, and a lower temperature gives you more simple sugars, which results in a drier beer, and a warmer temperature gives you more complex sugars, which will result in a more malty or sweet beer. The pH of the mash is also important. We're trying to get a pH of about 5.2. We use different acids and bases during the mashing in process to get us to this mash pH. This specific pH, along with the proper temperature, ensures the conversion of starch to sugar. Once we're finished mashing in, we allow the mash to rest and do that conversion for 1 hour, and then we move on to the boiler.